Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SEO briefs in Surfer SEO, full guide step by step clearly. Open Surfer SEO and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where your SEO briefs are listed. Select the SEO brief you want to back up. Click on the three-dot menu icon located on the right side of the brief. From the drop-down menu, choose the export option. Decide on the preferred file format for your backup, such as PDF or Word document. Once you select a format, the export process will begin. Wait for the file to be generated and downloaded to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your designated Downloads folder. Rename the file to something that indicates its contents, including the date for easy reference. Open your cloud storage service, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Create a new folder specifically for your SEO briefs. Upload the renamed file into the new folder for safekeeping. Ensure that the file is accessible from multiple devices by syncing it. Consider repeating this process regularly to maintain up-to-date backups of your SEO briefs. If you need to retrieve a backup, simply navigate to your cloud storage and download the file. By following these steps, you will ensure that your SEO briefs are securely backed up in Surfer SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.